Hey, what's up, folks? How is it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So today we are going to discuss the differences between pod, container, replica set, and deployment. And we'll see one analogy so that it's very clear. And also at the end, we'll have some quiz. So stay till the end, and you can participate in the quiz. Okay. So let me share my screen. So, like if we have to take some analogy, let's say take one restaurant analogy. So we can compare container like a dish. So this is like a single dish prepared, like let's say you're preparing a biryani or pasta, like you have all the ingredients, everything in one area, and chef is preparing it. So there is like a dedicated place. Similarly, like container having application with all its libraries, etc., all its dependencies. Pod is like a table. So on the table you will have all the dishes, right? So pod contains all the container, table has all the dishes. Replica set is like a policy of the table. Policy of the table says at any given point of time there should be 5 tables for the guest. 5 tables should be reserved. Right? And but in like similarly like replica set also it says a policy that 5 pods should be running always. Deployment deployment is like menu management system. Let's say like we want to introduce new dish. So we'll till the new dish is available, old dish means whatever old dishes or pods are available, they'll be running smoothly. And when new dish will be available, that rollout will happen. So deployment will take care of that upgrade, policy means rollout, rollback, right? So it will be taking care of that, and which so it can be similar to you can compare with memory management system. Replica set you can compare with policy of tables, like how many tables should be reserved. Pods are like a tables where dishes are kept, which is equivalent to container. So container, it's the smallest unit of execution in Kubernetes. It encapsulates an application and its dependencies and run in isolation with its own file system, CPU, and memory limits. And container run inside the pods. So what is used? It is used to package application and the dependencies in a portable way to ensure consistency across different environments. What is pod? Pod is the smallest deployable unit. And this is the smallest unit, container is the smallest unit. Pod is smallest deployable unit. So we cannot deploy container, but we can deploy pod, the smallest deployable unit. Pod contains one or more containers that share storage, networking, and configuration. They share this storage, networking, and configuration. Containers inside the same pod can communicate using local host. Why it is used? To run tightly coupled application, web application, and its cycle logging agent, like web application and some logging agent, right? It can be uh, multiple containers can be run together to enable sharing of network and storage resources. Then we have a replica set controller. It ensures a specified number of identical pod replicas are running all the time. If a pod fails, replica set automatically creates a new one. Why is it used? To maintain high availability by ensuring the required number of pods are always running. Because if pod crashes, immediately it will ensure that one more pod starts. So 3 pods are running, one got crashed, then again one more will be started. Used internally by deployment to scale application up and down. Deployment, what is it? It is a high-level abstraction that manages replica set. It provides rolling update, rollback, and scalability. Deployment defines how many replicas of a pod should be running and manages their updates. Why is it used? To ensure zero downtime deployment, zero downtime deployment with rolling updates, to manage application versions and enable rollback. Enable rollback, scaling up, scalability, rolling updates. These are for this where I use. So this is the summary. Container, smallest unit, and why is it used? Package app dependencies for portability. Pod, group of one or more containers that share resource. runs tightly coupled application together. ReplicaSet ensures specified number of pods are running, provides high availability and auto recovery of failed pods. Deployment, manage replica sets, allowing updates and scaling. And why is it used? Enables rolling updates and rollbacks and application lifecycle management. So here one example is there. Here we have containers. It's using Nginx image, Nginx image. Name is Nginx container. Label is app Nginx. And this is like a template for the pod template. Then we have replica set, replicas. There are 3 replicas will be created. And finally, we have a deployment. Right? So container, pod, replica set, and deployment. Deployment ensures the 3 pods are always running. Manage upscale, scaling, and rollback. Replica set, automatically created by deployment, ensures exactly 3 replicas of the pod are running. Pod template defines pod structure inside the deployment, and it uses label app Nginx to help identify manage the pods. It uses this label app Nginx. And container runs latest Nginx latest image and listens on the port number 80. Nginx latest image listens to port number 80. So now we'll go to the today's question. How does a deployment differ from a replica set? Deployment only runs on a single pod, while replica set runs multiple pod. Deployment provides rollback update strategies, while replica set only ensures correct number of pods. So answer is B. Deployment provides rollback and update strategy. Replica set only ensures the correct number of pods. Okay. So that's it for today. And please like it, share it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow WhatsApp channel, and also post daily quiz and can participate in the contest on my Devops Challenge Hub page, LinkedIn page. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.